embroidery bundle, guys, for our Fall Fest 2025. It includes your Glow Classic light board here. It has multiple light settings. There are 4 different light levels on this one. You can see you can adjust that. All those different light settings. Also comes with a translucent self-healing cutting mat. And I didn't mention this earlier, but the mats are textured. So when they're textured, it helps hold that mat in place when it comes with a dual one. So you've got the texture on the back and the texture on the top. So the texture on the back helps that mat stay in place on your board, and the texture on the top helps keep your fabric in place as well. So that comes with it. Then the magnets also comes with this embroidery package. The magnets there's plates all over the place. You can it kind of moves, like when you try to put it somewhere and it doesn't have one, it'll flip. Then the Flex sewing machine light with the accessory kit.
The entire accessory
comes
kit
with it as well. And it's for embroidery. If you do any handwork at all, if you knit or if you crochet, this little kit is so phenomenal for that. Fat quarter bundle bags, fat quarters not included, just the bags. But with this embroidery bundle, you get 2. So put 2 of these bags in your cart and they will be for free and they will come out with your stuff too. So great. I love these bags.
Coming up, please let us know the questions about any of the tools, the products, or any of the stories as well.